Hi, this is Patty Vaillancourt with another installment of Dragon, and this time I'm using Microsoft Excel. So I'll show you how to use that now. This right here is the toolbar. Right on the left-hand side, I can move it around, and the red button is what I would push to turn it on. Open Microsoft Excel. Click Blank Workbook. Maximize window. Regional Sales Report. Tap that. Move down one. Move down one. East Coast. Move down one. West Coast. Move down one. Southern. Move down one. Northern. Move to cell C3. Move up one. Q1. Tab. Q2. Tab 3. Total. Move to cell C3. 20,595.62. Move down one. 10,764.64. Move down one. 6,500.62. Move down one. 3,542.64. Move down one. Add up this column. Select column. Change this to currency. Move to cell D3. 6,544.64. Clear cell. 10,665.82. Move down one. Select column. Set this to currency. Move to cell G3. Add up this row. Move to cell A1. Insert a column. Move down 2. 1 through 4 down. Set column width to 5. Tab 3. Bold this. Move to row 2. Select row. Bold this. Rename worksheet. Cap regional, cap sales, cap report. Press enter. Go to sleep. So as you can see, it's simple to put in your information. You can use both text and numeric digits to enter into Excel. There's a lot of other commands too, and you can print preview and change your orientation from portrait to landscape. And that's part of what I do and help people is to learn these commands. So thanks for watching and stay tuned for another video coming soon.